Fast guys. And just like that, we are rolling out. Let the night begin. We are back, you guys. Another video, pumping gas. We were running low, filling up the tank completely. I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but we are pumping some E right now. There we go. She got the click. 13 gallons, $45 and some change. Beautiful. So yeah, filled up. Next stop, linking up with the boys. What better than a full tank of gas? But yeah, like I said, next stop, linking with the boys. Gonna be a bunch of fast cars. It is specifically a Beamer meet, but hey, gotta have the Evo, you know, test out its luck and see how it does today. And we are approaching our first destination, you guys. Fast guys.
What's up, baby?
Some fast guys around here, huh? What's up, bro?
Did
Chilling?
I fly by you on the freeway?
Yeah, I couldn't play, I had no gas.
I didn't even see you.
I just seen you guys, I'm like, well, I guess I gotta catch up. But
you ready to go?
yeah, I'm ready when you guys are. Are we waiting on anyone else?
No, that's it. That's all of us.
It's good.
All right, let's go.
Let's rock.
Yeah.
Next stop, meetup spot. Another meetup spot, I would say. Second meetup spot. Well, you guys, let's let the night begin. There's a Supra over there. keep up for sure. And it handles spot on. You guys know BMWs, man, they're the ultimate driving machine. But Evos, I guess you can say this is the perfect driving machine. No, But we're gonna link up with the rest of the gang, and then from there, quick walk around, and then back to it. Out and about. Man, crazy, nothing but fast cars. I feel like I'm the only JDM car here. We're gonna have to see though. But shout out to the homie Ish for hosting this cruise. I'm gonna drop his IG down below if you want to check him out. He's got an F82, beautifully built, manual as well. I'm telling y'all, can't ever go wrong with the manual. We're gonna see it right now. Damn, it's crazy. Maybe I should have brought my Beamer. I think that's the homie NorCal M4. Don't know who that is. There's a G80 right here. Don't know if I don't know if it's the homie Justin or if it's someone else, but that spec is beautiful. We're gonna find some parking and then wait till everyone peels out. Damn, we got some beautiful cars out today. Wrong window. Let's see what we got. We got an F82, an F80, an F80. I wonder if John came out today. I don't even know. But we are gonna find out. Like I said, I need parking first, and then we're gonna go from there. I think I am the only JDM car here. That's crazy, but oh well. We gonna make of it. We gonna make of it. I should just park right here if anything, actually. I'll park next to my Honda, brother, because everyone else here is foreign. All right, let's chop it up and then we'll be back once we head on out. Like I said, you guys, nothing but fast cars right now. E90, E90, F90, I believe. Yeah, F90, another E90, F82, F87, M5, F82 over there. The satin black F82 is crazy. Ish's F82 over there. Crazy. Fast cars all around. And more still pulling up. It's kind of dark for you guys, but we'll keep you guys posted. Just stay tuned on it. And just like that, we are rolling out. We got some fast guys for sure. We gonna see what's up though. Y'all stay tuned. Damn. But like I said, the boy Ricky popped out in his F82. He said he's on 91, so he's not really gonna be running it with nobody. Ah, snap. Let's get this show on the road. F82. I think that's Phillip. I think that's Phillip. I wonder where these boys probably want to go get in and out. I don't blame them. I'd be hungry too. I swear, you guys, it's always one thing or another, man. I'm pretty sure I popped off my actual intercooler piping again. Oh man, we're gonna post up, let the car cool off. Of course. Of course. Well, of course. What luck. Mid-run and god dang intercooler piping comes off. Straight from the turbo. Now I gotta let this thing cool off. I don't even know what to say. I'm gonna have to invest in some V-band. I'm gonna have to invest in some V-bands because this is like the second time it's happened. This is not it, man. Mid-run too, God. Well, chat, we are officially on standby because what I thought was a 14 millimeter is actually a 13 or a 12. So we gotta wait for some rescue. And a fellow tuner. Chat, there is nothing to fear. We are rescued. This fine gentleman right here came to the rescue.
Hello.
We were goddamn cooked over a goddamn 14 millimeter deep socket. All right, we got it back on. We got the charge pipe back on from the actual turbo to the intercooler. Moment of truth. We are back. Goddamn boost leak. But another night where the freaking video gets cut off short. That being said though, I mean, we're back and running. I'm gonna call it a night. Everyone's pretty much gone, but I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Stay tuned in, more videos to come. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic. Till the next one.